Hello and welcome to the Kriya Engineering Bootcamp. Today, we will learn about the different parts in the engineering kit. Before we start, here are a few things you should know. Listen to me when I am saying something. You will be given time to build. The bootcamp has listening time and action time. When it's listening time, please pay attention to what I say. When it is action time, you can build. Please take only the parts that you need. After building, always disassemble the builds. All the groups will have a tray with the parts that they need. Parts are divided into different part families. Let's start with the first family, building blocks. There are many kinds of building blocks. Can each group hold up a building block 30, please? This is called a building block 30 because it is 30 millimeters or 3 centimeters long. Can each group hold up this block? What do you think it is called? In the engineering kit, most parts are measured in millimeters. You can use the building block 30 or building block 15 to measure all the parts. How do we connect these parts? We slide a pin into a groove. Can everyone please connect a building block 15 and a building block 30 as shown in the video? Remember, do not twist the parts while disconnecting them. Always slide the blocks out. Let us now look at the types of building blocks. As you have learnt, this is a building block 30. This is a building block 15. This is a building block 15 with 2 pins. This is a building block 5. This is a building block 7.5. This is a building block 15 with bore. This is a building block 15 into 30 into 5 with grooves. This is a building block 15 into 30 into 5 with 3 grooves. And this is a building block 15 into 30 into 5 with a groove and pin. Can each group please collect the following parts? Can the class explain how each part got its name? Build anything you want using the blocks that you have learnt about. Let us move on to the next family, angle blocks. These blocks allow us to make angles or curves. Can every group pick up all the angle blocks? Can every group make an arch using angle blocks? The next family we move on to is the family of base plates. We use base plates to build objects on. There are 2 types of base plates, the 120 by 60 base plate and the 90 by 30 base plate. Base plates have grooves and slots to connect to other parts. Remember, when you count the slots in the base plate 120 by 60, you have to count the small as well as the large slots. Let's build something. Collect the following parts and follow the pictures you see on the screen. We will now learn about girders and struts. Girders are strong beams used in constructions like skyscrapers. The Kriya engineering kit has the following girders. Can each group pick up the girders they see in their trays? We use struts to give strength. We can connect girders and other elements using struts. Can each group pick up all the struts from their trays? We will now move on to the next family, connecting elements. These parts allow us to connect different parts. In the engineering kit, the most commonly used connecting elements are links. Links are used to connect building blocks together. Can each group attach two building blocks using links? Single rivet. Rivets are used to attach struts to girders and building blocks. Can each group attach a strut to a girder? Spring cam. Spring cams are used to connect building blocks. Can each group connect two building blocks using spring cams? Mounting plates. Mounting plates are usually attached to building blocks. Let's build. Collect the parts shown on the screen and follow the steps given. We will now learn about the family of axles and the parts that are used with axles. Axles are thin rods used to connect wheels. In the engineering kit, the most commonly used axles are clip axle 30, clip axle 45, clip axle 60, clip axle 75 and clip axle 90. We also have a plastic axle 50. Remember that the length of a clip axle 30 is the same as a building block 30. Their name comes from their measurement of 30 millimeters. Can each group collect all the axles and arrange them from smallest to largest and measure each of them? You can use building blocks to measure the axle. Here are some of the parts that you can use with axles. Axle coupling. This part is used to connect two axles. Can each group connect two axles using the axle coupling, please? Clip adapter. This part is used to connect an axle with another axle or another part. Can each group connect two axles using the clip adapter, please? Building block 15 with bore. Can each group slide an axle into a building block 15 with bore? Clip 5. This part is used to lock parts onto axles. For example, the building block 15 with bore can be locked onto the axle using clip 5s in the following way. Can each group lock a building block 15 with bore with two clip 5s, please? Clip. This part is used to attach axles to building blocks. Can each group attach an axle to a clip? Crankshaft. This part is used to turn the axle. Can each group attach a crankshaft to an axle? Hub nut and collet. This part is used to connect the axle to wheels, pulleys or gears. Here is how you can connect the hub nut and collet to the axle. Can each group attach a hub nut and collet to an axle, please? The next family we'll move on to is tires. Tires can be used with axles to form a wheel and axle system. There are three types of tires in the engineering kit. Tire 45, Tire 50 and wheel rim 30, Tire 32.5 and wheel rim 23. Can each group pick up the following parts? Here is how you can connect a Tire 45 to an axle. Can every group connect a Tire 45 to an axle? Here is how you connect a Tire 50 to an axle. Can every group connect a Tire 50 to an axle? And here is how you connect a Tire 32.5 to an axle. Can every group connect a Tire 32.5 to an axle? We will move on to the next family, gears. Gears are wheels with teeth. They join with other gears to make them move. The engineering kit has many gears. Can everyone collect the following gears? Can each group connect a gear wheel T20 to an axle using a hub nut and a collet? Can each group connect a cogwheel T10 narrow to an axle? The next family we'll learn about is pulleys. Pulleys are wheel-like parts with grooves. The engineering kit has the following pulleys. Can each group collect the following? Rope pulley 12, rope pulley 21, large pulley 60. Can each group connect the large pulley 60 to an axle? The final family we'll learn about consists of miscellaneous parts. Here are a few parts that are used with the rest of the parts in the engineering kit. Hinge block claw and tab. Here is how you connect the hinge block claw and tab. Can every group find and attach the hinge block claw and tab? Bearing sleeves. Can every group find bearing sleeves in their trays? Chain links. Can every group find and attach 5 chain links? Seat and steering wheel. Can every group find the seat and the steering wheel in their trays? Congratulations! You have learnt about the engineering kit and its parts. What have we learnt? The various parts in the engineering kit and their use. What have we done? We built with the parts of the engineering kit.